Yo, welcome back to the channel. Posting up another banger video. Yeah, so, first thing we're gonna do is get our day started. You already know. Let's open up our free pack. Hey, we got 4 coins and a large energy bar. Look at this, bro. Galaxy Opal pack opening today, guys. Let's just get into this. Who do you think you're about to get, bro? Who do I want? Who do I want? Let's get a small folder, baby. Ooh, we got a Clint Capella. I take that, though. I really take that. This was a banger, bro. Bro, this is a banger, bro. Okay, hope y'all enjoy the video, man. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye.